In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making $50 to $1,000 every day on Binance Arbitrage, and make sure you stick to the end of the video to see the proof process. Any point in time if you don't understand what I'm talking about, make sure you rewatch this video and like this video. And right here, you need to navigate to this Binance Spot and search for NGN. It's going to bring out Nigerian Naira. This is wallet on Binance, and right here you press this. Once you press this, there is this option BTC pair and USDT pair. You are pressing USDT pair because that's dollar in value, dollar value, and you press this. And right now, this Naira is being sold on marketplace to USDT as 960. And right here, if you will be buying $100 worth of USDT on Binance right now, you'll be paying 96,000. So 96,000, and you will need to come over here. Once you buy from this marketplace, then you come over here, P2P. You see this what merchant are doing over here. You'll be selling at higher price. Remember, you buy at 96,000 Naira, and right here these merchants are making order to sell at 1,000 plus. And right here 1,000 plus, this is what these merchants are doing right here. They are selling over the market price, and right here, for you to have the fast knowledge of what I'm talking about, I'm going to use this express. And let's this, for instance, you remember the merchants bought on the marketplace and you want to sell on P2P, and he bought this equivalent of $100 worth of USDT, and you are going to be buying from him, and you'll be buying $100 worth of USDT. And if you press buy, and right here you will be receiving 1,430. Meanwhile, he purchased this coin at 96,000 and is making at least 5,000 profit on 100,000 Naira. As you can see, if these merchants were able to settle 10 trades in a day, it will be making a 50,000 without stress. We just following this step. And right here, this is the price on the marketplace, and he bought $100. He bought $100 at this price. He's paying 96,390 Naira, and the merchant is going to come to this P2P. He will come to this P2P, and right here P2P to make order to sell at this price. And for us to see the amount of this profit this merchant will be making, we have to use this express to see the calculation of this money, and press on trend. Is going to be selling at this USDT price, and price previous, this is the price is going to be selling. And right here, this is the price, 1,013 Naira, and that's how much you will be selling, and you will be receiving 1,399 Naira in his account. And remember, he paid 96,399 Naira or 90 Naira, and you will be making a profit of 5,000 in per each trade. Let's go to this calculator. You start with 96,300. Let's approximately, and it's getting, let me use minus. I should have used this earlier. And right now, and it will be making a profit of 5,000. Don't mind this plus. I should have put the 100 something thousand first and calculated vice versa. And right here, just ignore this minus, and it will be making 5,000 profit per trade on Binance. And that's what these guys are doing over here. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel And if you disagree with me, let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to reply your comment. And see you on the next video.